Have you ever wondered what it's like to decipher your own personal tax return? It's a lot easier than you might think. Line 1 has to do with wages. That's your W-2 income. We also call that earned income. Line 2 and 3 is unearned income from interest or dividends. The dividends has a column that says qualified, and then to its right you see the other column, and that's added to your taxable income. We're headed for line 15, taxable income. Lines 4, 5, and 6. That has to do with your retirement income. That's interest from income from IRAs or pensions or Social Security. Stay tuned for another video that I have about how much of my Social Security is added to taxable income versus how much of it is taxed. Line 7 has to do with capital gains income. This is anything that is an investment or an investment property that is capital in nature that you sell at a gain or a loss. Both gain or loss are stated on line 7. Line 8 is about other income. This could be self-employment income or rental income from a rental property or income from another business that flows through to your personal return. Line 9 is the big old total income, otherwise known as gross income in the Internal Revenue Code section 61. Line 10, we take some adjustments, both positive and negative. First we take the additions, then we take the subtractions, both stated and calculated on Schedule 1, flowing through to that line 10. Line 11 is your adjusted gross income. Line 12 is where we get to that big deduction moment where you take the greater of your standard or itemized deduction to come to line 13. If you're a small business owner, you know about this. This is your QBID, Qualified Business Income Deduction. We total those two, line 12 and 13 deductions up on line 14, and we subtract that from your total income to get to your taxable income, line 15. I hope this has been helpful for you understanding a little bit of your tax return. Please stay tuned for other videos where I go over your marginal income tax bracket and explain your filing status or your filing status. Give me a call at 763-878-8481 or click on the link below. Best Tax Pro.